Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to try something new that I saw on TikTok, and if you have TikTok, you guys have probably seen it. It's just a way of applying your foundation. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be part of this little family and turn on the bell notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. I do upload videos in English and in Spanish every week, so don't miss any of my videos. And give this video a big thumbs up before you go. And now let's get started. First step is moisturizer. Grab your favorite moisturizer and apply it all over your face. I'm using the Pixie Rose Flash Balm, one of my favorite ones. I also use this as a primer under my foundation because it works so good for that too. Then you want to grab a translucent powder. You can use a loose powder or a pressed powder. I've seen girls use different ones. I will be using the CoverGirl Clean Professional Powder, and I'm using the Milk Makeup powder brush. Try not to apply a lot. This to me seems like a good amount, so I'm just gonna tap it onto my face. Then you want to get your setting spray. I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Matte Setting Spray and just spray the whole face and then wait for it to dry before I move on to the next step. Once the setting spray is completely dry, you want to grab your primer. I'll be applying the Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer, one of my favorite primers. I really love this and recommend it. It works so good to cover up your pores and make your makeup last a long time. After that, you want to grab your foundation. I'm going to use the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir. This is one of my favorite drugstore foundations, and I'm just going to apply that with my e.l.f. Cosmetics sponge, and I do wet the sponge a little bit just to help blend out the foundation a lot better. This should stay on 24/7 and it shouldn't crease. And I will test that out for you guys. I'll have a before and after from when I just applied the foundation and all that until the end of the day. And lately my skin has been a little bit more dry than normal, and it may seem a little risky putting on foundation on top of powder. I've never done that before, at least I don't think I have. No, I don't think so. I don't think I've ever done that. And the only thing I did after applying the foundation, I applied a little bit of concealer under my eyes and setting powder, but I didn't set the face with anything. I just applied bronzer, blush, and highlight, but that's it. Okay, so I applied my foundation around 1 p.m. and it is 8 o'clock. I don't know why I have my flashlight on, but I'm going to show you the close-up, and just keep in mind, like I said, I do have dry skin, so you might see dry patches on this area right here, but I love that it didn't crease around my smile, because that's where I normally, like most of the time, it creases. And then on my nose gets a little bit oily, so the foundation starts to move around in that area, or it just comes off like on my nostrils. But you can see that the foundation is still on. It's not creasing. It doesn't get oily. It doesn't get too dry. For having it on for a couple hours, this is not bad. Like I said earlier, I do have a combination skin, and it gets pretty dry on this area right here, and it doesn't feel very dry. And of course you do have to apply a good moisturizer, especially if you do have dry skin. And I honestly can say that I'm a fan of this routine. So let me know what you guys think of this routine, and if you try it, let me know how it turned out for you. So give it a try and let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and let me know what other videos you want to see in my channel. Thank you guys so much for all your love and your support. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!